How to make anyone fall deeply in love with you, 5 psychological tips and tricks. I'm releasing this one just before New Year Eve because I know that some of you need this working for you right now, if not sooner. After all, if you're trying to seduce someone special or want to improve your romantic relationship, why wait? Watch this video for 5 psychological secrets that can help you fall in love. It's never too late. Even if it feels like the person you're interested in isn't reciprocating your feelings or showing any interest at all. With these 4 tips, you might be able to get them to notice and fall head over heels for you. Of course, there are no guarantees, but don't give up hope just yet. Happy holidays, and be sure to subscribe so we can keep giving away awesome videos every week. Secret 1, good eye contact. It turns out that people who are not yet in love will typically look at each other 30% to 60% of the time when talking, while those couples deeply in love stare into each other's eyes 75% of the time when talking. So, if you want someone's heart, look into their eyes 75% of the time. The brain remembers the last time someone they love stared at them in the same way. They will associate this stare with feelings of love and release phenethylamine, which is known as a love drug. Phenylethylamine is released when someone falls in love and also mimics the brain chemistry of someone who is deeply in love. Secret 2, the Romeo and Juliet effect. If this person comes to save you from danger, then it is highly likely that they are deeply in love with you. This is because humans are hardwired to release hormones that create feelings of love when someone comes to their rescue. Secret 3, the power of touch. Lightly touching someone on the hand, shoulder, or arm can significantly impact. The power of touch has been shown to help people feel more confident and loved. Simple gestures like this strengthen relationships and create an emotional connection that inspires engagement. A study from the University of Mississippi and Rhodes College found that waitresses who touch their customers when returning change receive a significantly larger tip than those who do not. Another study published in Psychologically Press, Taylor and Francis Group had men stand on the corner of a street and attempt to talk to women who would walk by. The men were more successful in starting a conversation with the woman if they touched her on the arm or forearm. Touching can be an easy way to break down barriers without making someone feel uncomfortable. So what are you waiting for? Go give your crush's hand a quick squeeze right now. Secret 4, shared humor. Knowing the same joke or being able to talk about the same type of humor is a powerful sign that you and your love interest see eye to eye on many, if not most, issues. Being able to communicate on the same level is a sure sign that you are very likely in love. Researchers from Illinois State University and DePaul University found that when individuals use humor at first acquaintance with someone else, they are more likely to like them. And even funnier tasks may increase romantic attraction. What better way than having an intimate candlelit dinner or going on a comedy show together where they can't help but laugh along with you? It sounds like fun, doesn't it? So go ahead, make their heart melt by being funny until the moment they become yours helplessly, or vice versa. Secret 5, smile. Don't let fear stop you smiling. A study published in the Bulletin of the Psychonomic Society found smiling may just make you more likable. According to the experiment, women who smiled 70% of the time were seen as more interpersonally attractive than those who only smiled occasionally. So this holiday season, let your sunny side show and get ready for all of next year's compliments on how radiant you look. Don't believe me? Next time someone asks, "Why are you so happy?" simply respond with a big ol' grin and watch them melt right before your eyes. It's that easy. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and we want to wish you a happy new year. No matter what your resolutions for this new year may be, remember that it is important to love yourself first.